Hi, I'm going to give you some style notes today on our new pants. We introduced jeans last fall and we're carrying them forward in all kinds of new ways for the spring season. This is our Polka Dottie pant. Comes in two colors, blue and coral. It's full-length pant based on our Vagabond jeans style. If any of you got that, you'll know what a great fit it is. It's a cotton twill with 2% Lycra and 98% cotton, patch pockets on the back. Full length, so you can turn it up, of course. That's our coral. And here's our beautiful classic blue, beautiful oceanside kind of color, isn't it? I love it. The brass detailing, the brass findings, lovely brass button on the front. I think these will become your new favorites. They do fit true to size.